Hi everyone, how are you doing? I hope that everybody fine. Today we're gonna prepare tagine with meat and vegetables. It's a traditional Moroccan cuisine. It's so amazing. I hope that you will try it. You will find it so easy. Without further ado, let's get started. We need some meat. You can use any amount you want. We need some potatoes chopped like this and some zucchini, one onion chopped like this, and three slices of tomato. And we need parsley and coriander and half a glass of olive oil. We need a half teaspoon of turmeric, half teaspoon of ginger powder, half teaspoon of black pepper, and half teaspoon of salt. In a bowl, mix all the ingredients together. We add the spices, the parsley and coriander, and olive oil. And mix everything together. Then we add the meat. Mix it and let it half an hour before we put it in a tagine. And then put it in a tagine and add onion, then cover the tagine and stir from time to time about 10 minutes before we add the vegetables. Then we add the vegetables, we add potato, then we add zucchini, and you can use any kind of vegetables you want. You can use carrot, you can use pumpkin, you can use any kind you like. Then we add some water, just half a glass of water to the rest of the spices and pour it on top of the vegetables. And change the heat to low and cover the tagine and let it cook about 1 hour or 1 hour and a half. Our tagine is ready. It's so amazing. I hope that you enjoy this recipe and you find it easy to try. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel and hit the button like, and thank you for watching.